We live, we live, we live. We live. People won't get notifications. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do to let people get notifications. But yeah, first thing first. Let's tweet the stream out. Let's tweet the stream out. That's first. Staying up to date on what's happening in the Israel-Palestine conflict. And because of the Kaspa devs being in Israel and Palestine, a lot of people got worried about it. But I don't think we got anything to worry about here, man. Long term, nothing has changed for KAS. Nothing has changed for KAS. The fundamentals, the technology, everything is still on point. Right? So it's really just a buy the dip opportunity right now, man. That's really what it is for KAS right now, guys. As you could see, it's a buy the dip opportunity, man. Came right back down to my levels I had drawn a while ago. Everybody that was tuning into the stream, y'all see me. Y'all see how I had these levels drawn like a while back. A while back, man. Yeah, y'all was tuning in, man. You know, this is why technical analysis is always on point, right? I always trust the charts. I don't care what people say about this project or that project. I follow TA people. I see what they do with their TA. I always trust the charts, man. What's up, Cozy? Thanks for joining the stream. Not much people will be tuning in because I uploaded videos first before I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. I don't know how I'll upload videos and still stream and get the notifications, because YouTube only sends out like 3 notifications, but I upload way more than 3 videos, right? And I stream, unless I stream first. But I gotta, you know, if I stream first, it's gonna run into time to miss the day to uploads. It's kind of tough, man. But either way, thanks for joining the stream, Cozy. As I was saying earlier, this is a buy the dip opportunity for KAS, man. Obviously not financial advice, but this is when you DCA. This is when you dollar cost average into a great project, man. You know, this is when you dollar cost average into a great project. As you guys can see right here, like I've been saying, I drew these lines like way back. These lines down here, I drew them way back, right? And the only reason I changed my perspective to say we could potentially go up here is because I saw KAS did like a cup and then it started to form a handle right here. But Black Swan event out of nowhere happened. Black Swan event out of nowhere happened, and guess what happened? Hit resistance, then we retrace, right? The Israel and Palestine war, again, prayers to all the innocent civilians that have been affected and suffering, right? But that's what really caused the markets to have this correction. Like Bitcoin, GFAL, everything just, you know, got hit hard, you know. So KAS got hit hard as well, or else more than likely we would have went sideways here in these levels and then broke out. That's more than likely what would have happened if we didn't see the Israel-Palestine conflict take place. But I'm telling you, if you were tuning into the stream, man, like, maybe I should start leverage trading, because I had my lines drawn for the longest, way back here. This line that I'm moving right here, I had it drawn. You could go back in the streams, right? And the reason, you know, TA is first. TA gives you probabilities of what's to come, right? What would have been the reason for KAS to drop back down to these levels? It had no other reason, right? I said we'd probably face these resistance. We'd face resistance here. And what would be the reason for KAS to drop back down? There was no reason. And then, boom, out of nowhere, Black Swan, Israel-Palestine war. Boom, there you go, KAS traps. So it's so crazy to me. Anytime I see like people that are extremely good at TA, because I'm just basic at it, right? Like I said, I only look at harmonic patterns, right? Whatever those previous resistance and supports are, that's where I draw my line. Simple. That's how I do it, right? People who are extra good at TA, they set things up so like you would see like, okay, this is gonna happen. They draw their lines, and then boom, something happens in the news. Some catalyst happens. Boom, Binance listing. Then their lines play out. You know, so it's the same thing happened here, guys. I had this line drawn right here for a while. Go back in the streams, and boom. Why did CAS come back down to these levels? Because of the Black Swan, Israel-Palestine war. So, what's gonna happen next for CAS? What's gonna happen next, right? Well, right now we're at 42 cent. Might go down to 4 cent, right? Hopefully we hold this range. Hopefully we hold this range. As far as people, you know, I know a lot of people want CAS to drop lower so they could get cheaper CAS. I'm not mad at you for that. You know, I know a lot of people want CAS to drop lower. The crucial levels for CAS, though, in my opinion, oh, one line got deleted. Hold on. This line right here, I gotta draw another line at the 3 cent mark, right down here. This is the crucial level at 3 cent. So that's the level we're gonna be looking for. We'll see if CAS comes all the way down there. I'm not sure, because you know, we could just, CAS again always does the most bullish moves ever. So we could just bounce from the 4 cent level. You never know, right? But if we lose the 4 cent level, look for the 6 cent level, and then the 3 cent level, right? So let me add some more lines to show y'all. So put it right here. This is where we potentially might go next, okay? That's where we potentially might go next. If I was a leverage trader, I could have shorted CAS and made some extra gains to buy more CAS. Imagine shorting CAS to buy more CAS. That's the type of levels we on over here, man. Think about that. Yeah, we back, guys. I did a bit of my spiel. What's up, BD fan? What's up, Rosa? You definitely called those lines, not gonna lie. Who knew a war was gonna happen to make that prediction happen, but it did. I'm telling you, Cozy, that's how TA is, right? People think TA is a bunch of hoo-ha, but this is how TA is, right? It gives you probabilities. TA is all about probabilities. I'm not the best, I'm basic at it, but either way, even being basic, it still goes to show when you got a chart like CAS. CAS is a nice chart. Nice chart to chart. CAS is a nice chart to chart because it has such strong fundamentals. It's not like a meme coin where, you know, things could just go all over the place, right? CAS is a very nice chart to chart. Bitcoin Sniper, don't be scared by the hey, what's up, Sniper? It's been a minute, Sniper. Thank you for joining the stream. Thank you for joining the stream, Sniper. Not much people are gonna tune in to the stream because I already uploaded my videos earlier, like I said. Just finish watching 2 of them. I saw you was live, so now after this live, I'll watch the others. Thank you so much, Cozy. I might have to figure out a way to go live first and then upload the videos, to be honest. Now, honestly, I had everything set up. So what I could have did, go live first, right? And then I had everything set up, but I just said, oh, let me just upload everything and get it out of the way, right? So I probably go live first. After I have all the videos set up with the thumbnails, titles, etc., I probably go live first, and as soon as I'm finished with the live, I make all the videos public. I may have to do it that way, you know, because after 3 videos, YouTube stops sending out notifications, right? But we also have a tweet right here from Braver Crypto, one of the first people that, you know, talked about CAS. I think you guys should give Braver Crypto a follow. Has some nice altcoin calls. For anyone worried about the future of CAS due to this war and that several key developers of CAS live in Israel, don't be. They live in a safe part of Israel. No terrorist is touching them. Trust that. And good luck trying to convince people who love their people and homeland to flee. Not going to happen. I wouldn't leave either. May Hashem bless and protect all of the innocent and end all bloodshed. Amen. Please don't forget that KAS is a community-driven project with transparent coding and open source data with many developers and contributors around the world. And that's what a lot of people seem to forget. KAS is an open source decentralized project. Even if the developers, the core devs right now, Jonathan, etc., Shy, etc., stop working on KAS, new devs could come in and start working on KAS because it's open source, right? It's fully decentralized, right? There's still new devs who could come in and still achieve that 100 BPS target that we are aiming for with KAS. Smart contracts, right? That's how it is, right? If you're tuning into the stream, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. See 8 people watching. Let's get the likes up to 8 likes, man. I'd appreciate it. So the reason why we see this retrace clearly is because of what happened with the Israel-Palestine war. It's a black swan event. It explains the reason for the retrace, right? I already see people in my comment section saying, oh yeah, you just an influencer that was shilling, you're shilling the project, shilling, you know? Like, now it's dumping, now it's dumping, now it's dumping, right? Now it's crashing. No, there's a reason for it. There's a reason for this, guys. There's a reason for why the Caspa price action is like this, okay? Rosa, yeah, because I missed a few myself, okay? That would probably work better for your algo. Thank you, Cozy. Well, this is the thing, though, Cozy. Live streams, well, for me, unless you got a strong following, live streams only don't make help your channel grow subscriber wise. It's videos that do it, right? The more videos you make, the more subscribers you potentially will gain, right? If you're just going organic, natural growth, right? But to get more people watching the live stream, like 20 to 30 people to watch the live stream, that's when I'd have to probably stream first to get 20 to 30 people to watch it, right? Other than that, it's like YouTube is not sending out a notification for the live stream. So when people do tune into the live streams, because I've already uploaded 3 to 4 videos for the day, when people do tune in, it's because I've been streaming for a while and people like, oh, I didn't know BD was live, let me hop in the stream. You know, that's pretty much it. But as far as growing your channel, you know, just a little YouTube tip for you guys. As far as growing your channel, it's better to upload videos to grow, right? Yeah, man. So that's the reason why we're seeing this Kaspa correction. A lot of the market is feeling it. So 4 cent is the next support level, and then 3.6 cent, and then the crucial support level is 3 cent. That's gonna be crucial for KAS, man. 3 cent, right? People might be calling for, because of what's happening right now, people might be calling for a 2 cent KAS. I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't think we're gonna see all the way 2 cent. The lowest we might go, like I said, is 3 cent. And who knows? We could start accumulating once again, like find support here at 4 cent and start consolidating to bounce back up on KAS, right? This is why I say, man, dollar cost average is always the smartest way to go, because you can't time the markets, man. You really can't time the markets. Like people that you know, imagine you bought all your KAS up here at 5 cent, 4 cent. You would have missed out, you know, DCAing on the way down, right? You would have missed out DCAing on the way down, right? Every few days, man, every few days to a week, you toss in $100, $50, what you could afford to lose, obviously. But if you gotta set a target of the amount of shares of the project you want, and then you DCA every few days, man, because the market is very unexpected. I know a lot of people was expecting CAS more than likely would have been sideways here until it broke out, right? But who would have called the Israel-Palestine war and also the Kaspa core developers being in the same region of the war, right? They're not even like, you know, in Switzerland or something. You know, they're in the same region of the war. Like, it's crazy, man. Crypto is, it's so surreal when things like this things like this happen in crypto. It always blows my mind how surreal stuff is in crypto, you know. So that's why I say, like, just like how we see crazy things happen to the downside, the same thing happens to the upside, man. Crazy things happen to the upside just as well, you know. So make sure you prepare for it, man. Make sure you DCA, get your bags and prepare for it, man. If you're tuning in, guys, we got 12 people tuning in. Like the stream. Let's get to 12 likes, Caspians. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's get to 12 likes. Diverse, what's up, Diverse? Thank you for joining the stream. If you're tuning into the stream, feel free to talk to me in the chat as well. How y'all feeling about the price action? Are you buying the dip? Are you buying the dip? Let me know. If you're in my chat right now, if you're not a part of my Telegram, I have a free Telegram. I was researching a project that I was diving into. A lot of people might not be happy with the project when I do share it, but it does look interesting, you know. So I may do a video or a dedicated stream just for that project. And yeah, we keep it pushing, man. I'm in the live. What's up, Loco? What's up, Loco? The project has you know, the project I want to mention, it does deal with Solana. I had to research it a lot first just to make sure it's cool, but it does deal with, it is related to Solana. So it is related to Solana, but it's not vaporwave. The tokenomics are butt cheeks, but they don't start unlocking until a year. So they don't start unlocking until next year, July, right? Most of these projects that we see in the space, they have butt cheek tokenomics. So that's why Caspa is such a breath of fresh air. Why is there 12 likes? Smash the like button. Thank you so much, Loco. Loco, how is your RWA project doing for you? How you feel about the price action today, guys? How y'all feeling? We are a day away from hump day. It's very close to hump day. How y'all feel about the price action? Are y'all buying these dips, man? Are y'all buying these dips? I hope y'all are buying these dips, man. You waiting? Okay. What you waiting for? You waiting for a free 3 cent to buy? What you waiting for? See, this is the thing, man. People gonna be waiting to buy their dip, Loco. People gonna be waiting, and then Cash might do something crazy where, like, you know, it stays in this level and just bang. This is why you DCA, man, because guess what? You dollar cost averaging, you buy 100 here or $50, whatever, here at these levels, you know. If it does bang, you're in profit, right? If it keeps dropping, you DCA on the way down, and then boom, you got a better average on the way back up. Under 4 cent, okay. Yeah, next levels we're looking for is 3.6 cent and 3.3 cent. That's what we're looking at next. And also, listen to Diverse. Y'all like the stream, subscribe, turn on all notifications. Share with your friends and family. Become a channel member. Feel free to donate as well, man. Help keep the lights on. We have 31 out of 100 channel members. Let's get to 100 channel members. Nothing but quality content on the channel for the people that also tuned in recently. We have a tweet from Brave of Crypto, like I talked about a little bit earlier. For anyone worried about the future of KAS due to this war and that several key developers of KAS live in Israel, my apologies. Don't be, they live in a safe part of Israel. No terrorist is touching them, trust that. And good luck trying to convince people to love their people and homeland above all to flee. Not going to happen. So I know a lot of people are worried and panicked like, whoa, what's going on with KAS, man? The core devs are in Israel when the same place the Israel and Palestine war broke out. Like, isn't that so crazy? Isn't that so surreal? Like, the same place the war broke out is the same place the Kaspa core devs live. Like, that's so insane, right? That's so shocking, guys. But you know, Braver closed it out with saying, blessed and protect all the innocent and end all the bloodshed. Completely agree with that. Don't forget, KAS is community driven project with transparent coding, and it is open source data with many developers and contributors around the world. So, you know, as far as like the core devs of Caspa, man, say something were to happen, guess what? Caspa is completely open source, right? And there's always going to be new devs that come into Caspa because they see a vision with this project. They see this project going somewhere, man. There's many developers and contributors around the world. We saw Africa. We saw different places of the world as well on the channel, man. So, even if something were to happen to the core devs, not wishing it, you know, the goals of Caspa can still be achieved, right? Anybody could start coding, start working on the Caspa development right now as well, right? Think KAS will hit 3.5 cent. Well, that is my level, man. 3.6 cent and 3.3 cent. That's if we lose this 4 cent support. That's only if we lose this 4 cent level. So that is my levels. SendQuest, oh, this is live, I just noticed. Yeah. What more of a sign to DCA we need, right? Yeah, exactly. I can't believe it's almost 4 cent. That's a deal. It is a deal, SendQuest. And SendQuest, you've been tuning into the streams. You see I had this line drawn with this big circle drawn way before, man. You know, who's TA does work, guys. I'm not the best at it. I'm basic at TA, but I had this line drawn for the longest. Like, you could go back in the streams, man. I had this line drawn right there. I say we probably might go down to 4 cent. Now, I did say, okay, well, I do see a cup in handy because we were coiling back up, right? We were coiling back up. And then I was like, okay, maybe we got a cup in handy to continue up further. And then we would have went sideways here, right? But then, boom, guess what happened? Israel-Palestine war. Caspa core devs are in Israel. Bang. Who would have thunk it? Right? If that didn't happen, though, like I said, if that didn't happen, we would have had the cup in handy. More than likely consolidate in this range and then break out. If that didn't happen. So, that's what it is, man. So, guess what? Boom. End of the day, Caspa did hit where I thought it would have went to, right? Back down to that 4 cent level. It's crazy. It's insane. I have $1,000 for that Caspa price. Okay, Loco. Nice. Nice, Loco. Yeah, man. But Loco, man. DCA 1,000. You could DCA like $50 here. Like at 4.2 cent, it's not a bad entry. You could put like $50 to $100 there. It comes down to 4 cent. Sell orders on the way down, man. That's the smartest way. Because you never know if it, like I said, that's what I'm saying, man. You never know if it just does. You never know if it just hits 4 cents and bounce up from 4 cent, man. You never know. The market doesn't like to give people what they want. So that's why you DCA. DCA is the best strategy, man. SendQuest, yeah, I remember you drawing that. Crypto Chris has a similar projection. Nice. Shout out to Crypto Chris. Maldi, sup blockchain. Birds below 4 cent, and it's time to buy. I'm telling you. GF Burke, cup in handy. Let's go, Burke. Patriot, what up, BD? What's up, Patriot? Burke, just grabbed 20k more cash. See? DCA, man. Burke is DCAing in on the way down. it will go to 33.6 cents. I bet. I'm telling you, those are my levels, man. 3.633 cent. 3.6 or 3.3. Those are my levels I'm looking at. Man, but that's what I'm saying. If this Israel-Palestine thing didn't happen, and again, I pray for all the innocents affected and suffering because of it, all the families, etc. But if that didn't happen, man, I showed y'all a chart. We probably would have went sideways here and then break out. Let me go to my YouTube channel and show y'all. It was one of these thumbnails, man. It's one of these thumbnails. Let's see. One of these thumbnails right here. So KAS, there's 2 days. Caspa is unique. Go watch the Caspa is unique video. The chart was replaying what it did back in January to February of this year. It was replaying that, right? And if like I said, if the conflict, the war didn't take place, we probably would have consolidated up here to break out, man. But that's not the case. So it's a buy the dip opportunity. It's a buy the dip opportunity, y'all. Y'all do another 50K down there. I'm telling you, man. That's how you do it, Burke. I'm still DCA $30 every time it drops. Okay, Loco. Now you smart. Now you being an intelligent investor. Not saying you're not smart, but I mean like now you're being extra smart. Now you're being like super genius Stephen Hawking, Albert Einstein playing the game, you know. Nice, good plan. Yep, exactly. Sent Quest, hit those likes. Tell them Burke. Tell them Burke where we at. We at 20 people watching with 9 likes. Let's get to 20 likes, y'all. That's nice. No notification. We still got 20 people tuning in, man. That's awesome. So imagine if I hit y'all with the first thing I do is stream. I might get 40 people tuning in. Let's get to 20 likes, man. Hit the likes. Get the likes up. Let's get to 20 likes. If you're tuning in as well, like, subscribe, turn on all notifications, man. Let's get to 6,000 subscribers, man. Let's keep crushing it. Let's keep crushing it, man. But yeah, now is as good as time as any to start dollar cost averaging, man. Like honestly, now is as good a time as any, man. Loco, you got $1,000 to put in the cash, man. $30 on the way down every couple days. I'm telling you, that's the smartest play. Ulysses, what's up, Ulysses? I've been staking XNA, also stacking XNA. Nobody knows about it. I know about XNA. I'm personally not particularly bullish on XNA. Could run though. There's a lot of proof of work projects like BlockX, XNA, Clore AI. What else? Factorn, Zano, Cubic. Cubic is what you should be stacking, Bert, because Cubic is original technology. Cubic is original technology. I gotta make a video. I got the thumbnail already prepared. 5 projects I'm gonna talk about. Did I delete the thumbnail? No, I got it over here. I got it over here. So, got 5 projects. Zephyr is new. I'm personally more bullish on Zephyr than XNA. Cubic, Zephyr, Change, Zano, Dynex. I'm personally more bullish on these than XNA, you know, because I like original stuff. XNA's of it doesn't really stand out to me, you know, as much. But it could do good, you know. It could do well. Don't get me wrong. Have I checked out BitRock? I see a lot of people I saw people got 100x on BitRock already. You know, I saw people got 100x on BitRock already. I think it's an ETH project that it's a layer 1, but it already got like projects that has launched on it. So even if it's built on ETH, it already got projects launched on it, which is cool, right? People already got 100x on this, man. Crazy. Where is it at right now? 4.6 million. Yeah, they had people that bought this all the way down here, man. It's holding up pretty good too. It's holding up pretty good, So yeah, it is an ETH project. I personally prefer projects on their own chain, but the good thing is projects have already launched on BitRock. I think Rockdown launched on BitRock. I think so. I think this is one of the projects that launched on it. So it is a working chain, which is good. It's not like a because they got a lot of layer ones that come out on Binance and other chains, like they're chains on chains. They're built on like Ethereum, Binance, etc. And they say they're a blockchain, but they're just like they don't have any projects that launch on them or anything like that. So, you know, this is cool, man. This is cool. I'm not gonna say it's not cool. It's innovative. I like something innovative. It's holding up pretty well also. Could do very well, man. 4.6 mil market cap. Probably do a deep dive on it in a separate video. Probably do a deep dive on it because it's at a good entry right now, right? It is at a good entry right now. It's not pumped. It's down from the all-time high. It's going sideways. Pretty cool, man. Not a bad play. Hey, if you're tuning in, man, like the stream. Let's get to 20 likes. Right back to Caspa. See what y'all got for me. September 22nd, the U.S. had 17 days of strategic oil reserve left. The day that Israel bombed Gaza was exactly 17. Oh man, just saying. Patriot, as you know, governments, all of these systems, all of these things, the WEF, Bill Gates, all of these things, I'm against it all. I am an anarchist. I don't believe in governments. I don't believe in none of that, man. Only thing I believe in is decentralization. You could say Bitcoin and crypto is created by the CEA. It's a CIA. It's a PSYOP. But this is the closest I'll ever get to decentralization, man, in this world, man. There's too much evils. There's too much things that are planned by these, you know, these oligarchs, right? There's too much things that it's just to enrich themselves, man. That's all it really boils down to. And innocent people, civilians, people who are children suffer, right? So obviously I can't get too deep into it because YouTube will take down my channel, take down my videos. So I'm not trusting anything, man. I'm not trusting any of the news and none of that stuff. All I see is the videos, some of the videos that are clearly real, where people are suffering. You know, people are losing their lives, and all of it is very sad, man. So it's just prayers and blessings to everyone who's suffering, man. And the people that are benefited off of it, guess what? They deserve a place in hell, man. They deserve a place in hell. Get rid of that average. Its market cap is only 4 mil. That could go high. I looked into that. Are you mining with a graphics card? Yeah, go read up on it. Kind of cast vibes ish style. Okay. Are we talking about BitRock? We're talking about BitRock right now? Okay, I will. Thanks, Burke. Just saying, always a reason behind the scenes. I agree, Patriot. Check it. Massive cup in handy. Okay, y'all bullish on BitRock. Okay. Not gonna fade y'all. I'm not gonna fade y'all. I know people already got 100x on it, but it's not at its all-time high anymore. Could be a nice, you know, couple $100 into BitRock, few $100. Not a bad play. It goes 40 mil, 50 mil. That's a 10x. It goes to 400 mil. You make 20k, 30k. Not a bad play, man. I was talking about XNA is what you were talking about. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I'll talk about XNA. Okay. Got you. Bro, pull out that lifer lingo. Y'all talk about XNA. Hey, again, man, XNA, I'm not particularly bullish on it, but hey, see, I like it, man. What's that? 4.4. It's at a good market cap, man. I think people got 100x on XNA as well too. They had people buying it way back. Way back people were buying XNA, man. So yeah, man. Hopefully it plays out for you guys. Hopefully it plays out for you guys. You know, good luck with it. Chart, but you toss $100 on that now, like 200k coins. Crypto YouTube is a small world. You watch us live. Hey, Lifer, shout out to Lifer, man. Just a small bag, 99.9% KAS. Okay, so y'all toss a couple $100 at it, but I'm saying they got better places to put that couple $100. Personally, man, I'm bullish on Cubic. I am bullish on Cubic. You know why I'm bullish on Cubic? You know why I'm bullish on Cubic? Let me show y'all why I'm bullish on Cubic, man. Let me show y'all why. The only reason I'm bullish on Cubic, man. Cubic Network. Look at this. Founded by Come From Beyond, the co-creator behind IOTA. The co-creator behind IOTA made Cubic, right? It's at 30 million market cap. I like that. You know, IOTA went to like 17 billion market cap, right? And if a co-creator is behind a project that went to 17 billion market cap, I think it got way higher chances of success, in my opinion, right? So we got 21 people watching. Let's get to 20 likes, y'all. Like the stream, subscribe, turn on all notifications. Share with your friends and family, guys. Let's get to 6,000 subscribers. Become a channel member. And feel free to donate as well, man. Right now, you could only get it on Safe Trade. That's the only place you could buy it. You could only get it on Safe Trade. But as you can see, it's pretty much unpumped. Hasn't had its pump yet. Sideways. And I love that. Brand new. And I love that. I'm telling y'all. When I gotta make a video. Probably make the video tomorrow. On the 5 that I'm looking at. Cubic is number 1. I think this is gonna crush it, man. I think it's gonna crush it. I could be wrong, not financial advice, but you know, some people that the people that worked on IOTA, co-creator of IOTA is developing it. See IOTA right here. IOTA at 400 mil market cap. All-time high for IOTA is like all-time high for IOTA. Back in 2017, it went all the way to let's see, even if not 2017, even like the recent all-time high, it went to 7 billion market cap. And then previously in 2017, it went to 15 billion market cap, right? So Cubic could be a multi-billion dollar asset in the future, because it's the same people behind IOTA, right? Just my thought process. Just my thought process, guys. You could only buy it on Safe Trade. That's the only place it's at. I do whatever I can. I try not to lose every trade I make. Yeah, paper trade for practice. Boy, I'm a caveman. Can't do anything that makes sense. I understand that, Patriot. Takes a few years, just watch daily income, okay? I mean, a lot of projects are gonna send crazily. Like, I wouldn't be surprised XNA sends crazily going into the bull run, man. A lot of projects are gonna go crazy in the bull run, you know? You think XNA could get to $1? You think XNA could get to $1? Where we at right now? 3.4 mil market cap. That's what, $6.6 billion in market cap for $1. It's a bit much. It's a bit much, man. $200 gets you 400k XNA. $200 gets you 400k. I mean, if it, what's it at right now? 5 million. If it goes to a billion, if it has the potential to go to a billion in a bull run, you know, that's gonna be some nice X's right there, man. What's that? 250x, 200 times 250. That's 50K. It's nice gains, man. Nice gains. But you gotta look for like true. But I mean, the chart doesn't look bad, to be honest. The chart doesn't look bad at all. It doesn't. You know, it doesn't. So Burke, it more than likely could do well. Like a lot of projects with charts like this that are new, going into the bull run, they're gonna send. These are the charts you gotta look for 10x's, man. You know, like this will definitely probably go to 50 mil market cap at the least, or 100 mil at the least. You know, a lot of projects are gonna 10x, man. I know it. Michael, I was like, where did I see? I saw the chat revenue popped up, man. Show good karma and support the channel, guys. The information given on the stream that will help you either make money or avoid disaster. Thank you so much, Michael, man. Really helpful, man. You're really helpful. I appreciate that, man. Like, the donations really help. Morning, man. Just hoping Caspa stays low. Strapped for cash, so can't DCA right now. Moazan, I know how you feel, man. I know if XNA hits 30 cents, I'd be good. Patriot, I do way better in the height of the bull run or depths of the bear. I'm telling you, Patriot. St. Quest Cardians can't use Safe Trade, looks like. Lots of VPN browser plugins, okay. Lotto tickets, okay. NordVPN is literally $2 a month. Yeah, get yourself a VPN, guys. Canadians can't use Safe Trade. Get yourself a VPN, man. It's nice. It's already pumped once and dipping now. Yeah, okay. Just grab another 20K hello yesterday right before it pumped today. What do you think about Surfshark VPN? Vegas Inu? I'm just saying, guys. I'm looking for projects like KAS, right? XNA, to me, it's not original technology and I'm like turned off. Caspa is original. Cubic is original. XNA is a fork of Ravencoin. It could do well, yes, just like BlockX, but these are forks, right? Cubic OG technology, right? That's what I'm looking for. The project I like that I might make a video on, OG technology, even though it's in the Solana ecosystem, it's like a layer 2 for Solana. Like what? OG technology. I don't want forks. I want OG, because that's why Caspa did what it did, right? OG technology, original, unique, innovative stuff, right? Now, can XNA give you money, make you money? Yes, it can. I'm not saying it can't. Of course it can. Because I'm always open-minded, man. Of course it can make you money, right? But that's what I'm looking for. I was researching Factorn, and they got Doge developers working on Factorn. It's at $1 million market cap on ZX, right? But they don't have much funding. It is a fork of Bitcoin, but why would I take a chance on Factorn over like something like XNA? Because they got a Doge developer working on it, right? I'm looking for like special things from projects, special stuff. Like, for example, Change, the Change wallet, right? I would buy Change first before I buy like XNA. You know, I'd buy Change. You know, I would buy Change because it's like the native wallet. It's a native wallet of Caspa. I would buy this first, right? I know the market cap is bigger, but like you know. You check the Caspa website. What you see on the Caspa website, you see Change, right? Now, could XNA go give you some X's? Yes, it can. Can it give you a 10x, a 50x? Sure. I'm just saying I'll buy other stuff first, in my opinion. That's just me. Let's see. What y'all saying? Find them before big tubers find them. That's the key. That's a fact, man. It's the best wallet to hold KAS. The Tangent wallet. Sorry about the caps. No problem, Sidon. Sidon, thank you so much for tuning in as well. I see you're new. Tangent is the best place. One key as well. Tangent and one key. What's up, Jack? Joven and Channel Crypto Wealth. A perfect health to you. 64K KAS. Let's go. Let's go, Jack. All right, fellas. Y'all have a great night. Thank you for tuning in, Patriot. You know, like for example, Burke, if we're going to talk about projects that influencers haven't found yet, there's people making threads on Factorn. I buy Factorn before I buy XNA. They got a Doge developer working on it. Somebody who was a part of Doge. Now, obviously, development and stuff like that might be more difficult than funding and stuff like that. They have funding issues. But that's something I'd buy at $1 million market cap as well. So it's smaller market cap than XNA. Right? But Doge OG Doge developer is working on it, just like how Jonathan is in the Ethereum white paper. Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy that first. Okay, I'm gonna buy that first. Cause they got, you know, there's a track record there, you know. It's ZX is not loading. ZX is not loading, man. Let me see. Is it here? No, it's not on Safe Trade. If ZX was loaded, I would have showed you it, but it's not there yet. Jack, hey, thank you for joining the stream, Jack. Working a lot, yeah, man. Never stop working, man. That tropical storm, like, really set me back this month as far as revenue, you know. Not gonna make as much this month because that tropical storm set me back with the uploads, but I'm back, you know. I'm gonna be crushing it. XNA hitting a tier 1 in a month. Hey, send it, man. Send it. Send it. Okay, $100 on it and watch. Not comparing it. Okay. Work, okay. Any super degen play? Any super degen play? Loco. Look into fact, man. Look into fact. FACT. It's on ZX at $1 million market cap. Market's going to tank. GT, man. You think because of the war, market's going to tank? I disagree with you, GT. You know why? Because Jim Cramer said Bitcoin is gonna go down. So Jim Cramer just said Bitcoin is gonna go down. I'm betting against Jim Cramer. So markets aren't going to tank. They're going to reverse like we've never seen before. Right? So markets are not going to tank. Jim Cramer thinks Bitcoin is about to crash. That's a buy signal. Why the videos aren't loading? What's going on? What's happening? Jim Cramer said Bitcoin is about to go down big. I am buying. I am dollar cost averaging in. I wish man, what my video? What's going on, man? Is it my internet? What's going on, guys? This war was good for the market. You gonna do deep dive on these? I will, Burke. Like, think about it, Burke. Between XNA and something like Fact at $1 million market cap, right? That's something else I wanted to share with the group. But I was diving in because the issue is, like, a lot of these have, like, issues, like, with funding. And, you know, they don't have money. Like, Caspa started and they don't have no money, right? Because there are no pre-mine, no, you know, pre-investing and stuff like that. And then you're gonna have to rely on community funding, which makes them what is it called? The development is gonna take way longer, right? But between XNA and that, I'm like, a OG developer, a Doge is working on this project. Oh, that's a buy. No brainer. You know, no brainer. This war isn't good for the market. It's not good for the market, man. It's not. I don't care if Jim Cramer is always an inverse signal. Can you pull the chart? Well, my things aren't loading, man. They're not. They're not loading. They're not loading, man. They are not loading. I don't know why. What the heck is happening, man? ZX not loading. None of these things are loading for me, man. I don't know. I don't know if it's my internet. I don't know what it is. If Jim Cramer said Bitcoin is going down, guess what? I'm buying every altcoin. Every altcoin under the sun. Let me see if I can pull it up on YouTube. Let's see. Jim Cramer is the inverse signal. I don't care if the war is happening. Guess what's gonna happen when a true black swan happens? They print more money. They print more money, and guess what happens to the DXY? The DXY, the dollar, the US dollar goes down. Right? I just shared a chart in my Telegram. This is what the DXY looking like. This is what the DXY looking like. It's right on a crucial support, breaking down. I don't care if the war is happening for the market, man. As far as as the war goes, pray for all the civilians and the innocents. It's very sad. But as far as the market goes, they're gonna use this opportunity to print more money. Look at the DXY. It's ready for that breakdown. Jim Cramer said he ain't touching Bitcoin. I'm touching crypto then. Let me see. Let me see. Where did he state it about Bitcoin? I don't even know. I can't even play the full clip. YouTube is working. Let me see, man. I wish I could pull it up. Let me see, man. Let me see, man. Let me see, y'all. Let me see, y'all. Let me try again. Let me try again. Is it gonna load this time? No, it's not gonna. Okay, hold on. Let me do something then. Let me try this. Maybe it's my antivirus stopping it. How about now? Man, oh, there we go. Okay, nice. Finally I could play this clip. Finally I could play this clip, man.
I just can't get on the. I can't be in something where Mr. Bitcoin is about to go down. I just can't get on the. I can't be in something where Mr. Bitcoin is about to go down.
Okay, that's it. I'm buying. I'm buying everything. I'm buying Caspa right now. As soon as I saw that on my timeline, I'm buying Caspa right now. Let me go to the factor and try. I think the factor and oh, there we go. Now we loading. It was my antivirus blocking stuff, man. So yeah, factoring right here, million market cap. It's the overall chart. This is what the chart looks like. So as you guys can see, had a nice, it's 10x up from the bottom back here in April. Had a nice pop up, It's holding this support, so it's crucial right here. But it might accumulate, and then break out, right? And then break out. Now this is a fork. It is a fork. Factoring is a fork, okay? Just like XNA is a fork of Ravencoin. But what's special is that an OG developers of Doge is working on it, right? That's what's special. Other than that, hello to the moon. Let's see what we got here. Let me put my music back on. And let's see what we got. Let's catch up to the chat. Let's see. Let's catch up to the chat. We are not. Furthermore, gas prices are going to skyrocket and the US dollar is about to rip. Not good for TradFi or crypto. We are making the time to start buying bonds though. Hey GT, I just showed you the DXY, man. I'm telling you. Moazan, I just saw a Karate Combat token. It could be a gem. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at it. Satoshi, do you think the US is gonna turn the money printer on? Yes. Bert, they have to soon. Stat that ammo silver. Yes, exactly, Bert. Wish you well. We're in the season at Target Internet Warehouse and buy. I'm busy. Thank you, Jack. I know work is tough, you know, but it's amazing that you putting in that work for an honest living, man. And you also going beyond, because a lot of people just do the honest living, but they never go beyond to like try to change their life forever. So I respect you for working so hard, but still being in crypto, still tuning into the streams. Appreciate it. GT, no. Haha, it never fails. US is not turning money printers on anytime soon. Get rid of that average, bro. Probably summer 2024 if they do. Okay. It shiz cast to 3.5 cent by weekend. Okay, that is in line with my targets. More money. Rec USD to the moon. Shout out to Rec USD, I guess. Kramer is always raw. He is always raw. Manosphere, hello to the moon. Hey, send hello. Send hello. What time do you do most of your lives? Live in Arizona. Live in Arizona. Jack, what time is it where you're at right now in Arizona? GF Burr, I do need to get hello GFAL and Joystream still. I think Joystream and GFAL, hello, all of them will do well. I'll be honest with you. Like, you know, I'll be honest with you. I think all of them will do well. I'm not buying Caspa until 2.28 cent. Okay. Okay. You may not get that though, man. We might bounce from 3 cent. This is my line. I'm at 3 cent. You might not get that GT, so don't miss out. This is why I said DCA, man. Why Caspa is down, Vinny? Well, right now, there's an Israel-Palestine war, and the core developers of Caspa are from Israel. They're living in Israel right now, so there's a lot of panic in the community about it. But a lot of the community members are already setting everybody straight. Like, yo, don't worry about what's going on. The whole market overall got hit as well about buy it, and a lot of people are turning bearish. A lot of people are like negative now because of the war. They think the war is gonna make everything crash. I personally don't think we go that low because the bottom was in last year, you know, at the end of last year. So I don't think we're gonna go that low. You know, people are gonna expect for deep drops. I don't think we're gonna get those deep drops. US is not turning money printers on until summer 2024. Okay. Top 5 crypto to accumulate: Sol, Cash, Render, A-Star, and GFA. A-Stars, you got a nice top 5, honestly. Render, A-Star, I've heard about ASTR a lot. And Render is like the top cloud computing project. So, not a bad bet with Render as well. You know, KAS, obviously. Manosphere, I only need one to do well in 2025 and I'll be rich. Hello, KAS, Quant, GFA. Hey, shout out to Quant. Make sure y'all watch my Quant videos, man. I'm giving y'all alpha on Quant. So make sure y'all watch my Quant videos, man. Know that average AVG. Okay, AVG, got you. My bad. Mr. T, Caspa is not supposed to dump a lot, close to 20% in a week. Hey, when Black Swan events happen, Mr. T, this is what you get. That's what you get when you get Black Swan events. It's all in the charts. I agree with that, Burke. It's all in the charts, man. Burke, you was here, man. You know how long I had this line drawn? Look, let me move it. I had it drawn for however long ago. I'm not even the best at TA, and I had this line drawn for the longest, man. The longest. And look at that. It came right down to that level. I really did think, though. Because we coiled back up. Here, I thought we was going to go sideways here. Or maybe do a cup in handy, right? Because if you look, you cup in handy, right? But I also said this looks like a double top, right? Because we were coming back down. So we came back up to trick out the market is so unforgiving. It came back up to trick people. So everybody started to go long, right? And then boom, out of nowhere, Israel-Palestine war, bang. All the people that were long, liquidated, bang. Man, Man, I cannot leverage trade, man. I am never going to do it because the market is too unpredictable, man. Ah, man. Because it still came right back down to what I had drawn a while ago, man. That's crazy. Let's see, man. A-Star's boss found Sota Watanabe is 30 for 30 on the Forbes richest in Asia. Nice. He's also head of Japan's blockchain group. Nice. He's best friends with founder of Sony. I'm gonna have to dive into A-Star, man. Yeah, going to build Sony's blockchain. I'm gonna have to dive into A-Star. Oh yeah, I did see the partnership with Sony. I did see that. Burke, hey, those beer divs had to play news or not. Shh. Burke, you are so right. It's all about the TA. You see how the lines were drawn? Like, that's what's so crazy about TA. The lines are drawn way before these lines were drawn. You could go back in the stream how long ago I had these lines drawn and the target areas, and I just left them there. And then boom, the news hit. Now that's how TA is, man. It's like predicting the future. That's how TA is. It's predicting the future, man. And the better you're at a TA, the more money you'd make in the space, honestly. Let's see. Jasmine could also be involved in Japan CBDC. Yeah, it'll be used to work on Japan CBDC. Hey, we'll see what happens with that, man. Japan will be the second biggest crypto hub 2024-2025 behind Dubai. Agreed. Hong Kong, China, Japan, crypto hubs. Thank you for the heart. Love you guys. Thank you for the heart. Love you guys. Thank you for the heart. Love you guys. Show me the news. I'll show you the charts every time. Exactly. Hong Kong will be number 3. I'm telling you. Man. Those the Asian countries are really what's gonna be. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if the Asian countries are what create the new bull run, man. Like, for example, they had this meme coin called Pogai. People talking about it in my Telegram. I knew about it, like I bought it, like, and made some money off of it like a while back, right? It came all the way back down to like 1 million market cap down here, and then boom, this is one of the project that did a 30x, man. It did a 30x from the bottom at 1 million market cap, went to 30 million market cap. You join the Telegram, it's all Asian people in there, Chinese people in the Telegram. So you know who's sending it? It's Chinese people. So the next bull run, a lot of people are wondering where's the retail investors gonna be from, or where's the retail money gonna be. It may just be Asian retail money, man. It may just be Asian retail money. If we see what happened with this Pogai meme coin, all Chinese people in the Telegram, no English people whatsoever, man. From 1 mil market cap all the way up to 30 million market cap on Mexi. 30x in the in this terrible market. How many months was that? 4 months. 30x. Telling you, man, all Asian people. So yeah, the next bull run might just be all Asian related stuff. Like, who knows, man? You can't predict these things, you know. Let's see what we got. Let's catch up. 7:35 p.m. Okay, so that means for you, I start streaming around 4, 5, 6 p.m. Anywhere in that level, anywhere in those times, Jack. Dubai, Tokyo, Hong Kong, London, NYC. Yep, okay. 8:35 Mountain Time. You close, Jack. Japan, another 10 to 20 million people in crypto. Maybe even more than that, man. Maybe even more. Tucson, Arizona. Nice. Shout out to Tucson. On Twitter, Kaspa people, it will never go down to X. Well, the chart says you lied. I mean, it's not that much of a retrace. Let's be honest, Berg. It's not that much of a retrace. I did say maybe we see 4 cents, and we do. Here we are, right? The crucial level, I think the lowest we go to is maybe 3 cents. I think that's gonna be the lowest we go to, and I'm gonna keep this line here. I don't think we go any lower than that. I really don't think so. You know, I really don't think we go any lower than 3 cent. San Antonio, Texas. Hey, side of means. Shout out to San Antonio, man. It's always bigger in Texas, side of mean. I know your bank account is big. I know your car is big. I know your girlfriend is big. Everything is big. If BTC goes to 18 to 20k, else Caspa are going to go down 60%. You think we're gonna go back down there? Not yet. The only way we go back down there is on the Fed pivot, and we haven't had the Fed pause yet. We still need the Fed to pause interest rates. Usually we get a move up for the Fed pause. Then when we get the Fed pivot, then you could say, then we go down at the Fed pivot. Right? I would say yes, we could go back down at the Fed pivot, because history has shown every time the Fed pivots interest rates, we go down. Okay? But we haven't had the Fed pause yet. So I think there's still more upside before we go back down, in my opinion. But if you're tuning into the stream, man, you getting value, you enjoying the content, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notifications, share with your friends and family, guys. Become a channel member and donate as well, man. With the super chats, really helps out, man. Really helps the channel out if y'all could support through any further means as well, you know. BTC going to retest 18 to 20k. I wouldn't put it past it, honestly, GT. But what time frame is that? I think we have more upside before we get downside. I think we get more upside before we get downside, in my opinion. Well, I mean, if there was gonna be a reason for the markets to go down, it would be because of the war. It would be. It would be because of the war, man. It would be because of the war. Lowest you would get is 2.6. That's the macro. 6.18 macro. Okay. Okay, Burke. 2.6. Okay, I got it around 2.8. Okay, I got it around that level. Yeah, back here. Yep. Okay. 2.8, 2.6. Okay. So I got that line drawn already. So we're going to see. See what we got. Caspa right now is overpriced. 3 cent CAS is not the bottom, but it's a good place to start buying again. Okay. What's the bottom for CAS? You think we're gonna go back to 1 cent CAS? You think we're gonna back to 1 cent? GT? Yo, if we go back to 1 cent, everybody's happy. Everybody in crypto is happy if we go back to 1 cent. Okay, so y'all say the lowest we go to is 2 cent, 2.6 cent. Okay. Okay. Got y'all. 2.6 cent. Okay. And this is why you DCA, man. I got the line drawn here at 2.7. You know. 2.7. Let's see. 2.5. Back here again, right here. At this high. 2 cent right here. Yeah, man, I got the lines drawn, so we gonna see, man. We gonna see. I see 2 to 3 cent out of the bottom range. Okay. Too many large order at 2.8. Okay. One would be an 80-ish% retrace. Okay. I love the TA, guys. I love the talks y'all give in with the TA and stuff like that. Helps me to get better as well. GT, I wouldn't rule it out. I wouldn't rule out a price drop back to 3 cent, 3 cent. Like I said, I said that's the crucial level. Anything under 4 cent is gonna make you rich, man. Anything under 4 cent is gonna make you rich. I'm not buying more until 3 cents or under. Tuh. I'll start the DCA now, man, because you never know. You start tossing like a $30 to $100 here. Every week or so you toss $100. You know, lower that average on the way down, man. Cause you never know where it could bounce. You call for 2 cent for cash. It may never get back to 2 cent. You never know, man. Buy more under 3 cent or under. Also not buying render until $1 or under. Okay, not buying Solana until $13 or under. Solana's gonna go crazy again. Solana's gonna go crazy again. I know a lot of people be like, oh, Solana's dead. We know how bull markets are, man. A lot of projects are gonna go crazy again, man. Even though, like, I personally don't like Solana as much. But yeah, the project I want to talk about is a Solana EVM project. So like people could take Ethereum projects, that technology, EVM technology, and use the project to make Solana projects. So it's like it's technically kind of like a layer 2 for Solana, right? It's kind of cool in my opinion. Kind of cool. That's another project I want to talk about. Let's see. Coinbase people will be like, I'm not buying CAS until under $1. I'm telling you. Not buying G-File until 1 cent or under. Oh, you think G-File gonna come back down to 1 cent? Oh, that'd be nice. I'd like G-File back at 1 cent. Yeah, you won't get that GT. 26, I'm jealous, I'm 3.5 cent. Low cap, alts dump way harder. They do. Hello, Hotlagan. What's up, all set? All set. All set. When the market dumps, look, yeah. G-File is going to dump hard. Is that what the charts show you? G-File has 300k volume. G-File is going to dump hard. You think G-File coming back down to 1 cent? G-File been crushing it. And it's volatile. G-File been crushing it though. Dang, G-File back to 1 cent is crazy. Hey, GT, if you got that, man. If you get that, man, I'll be like, oh, GT's a genius. Okay, GT, if you get that, man, I'll be like, this man, GT a genius. Okay. I think I'm not really charting G-File as much. I bought by 3k worth of G-File at 1 cent. Hopium is not charting. You think G-File best game in crypto, Jack? For this cycle, because of who's involved with it, I think so, honestly. For this cycle, right? For this cycle, just because of Trip Hawkins. Crypto mining Octa. I'm not a miner, but Octa is a great project. Octa is great. I like Octa. I like Octa. What's up, Sketch? Uncle Block. What's up, Sketch? Shiba Inu whale in the chat, guys. Sketch is a Shiba Inu whale, guys. That's why I say don't fade the meme coins. Make sure y'all don't fade Pepe. You got a Shiba Inu whale in the chat. Extremely connected with Binance, straight up. Chainlink team, G-File will get listed on Binance next bull. I really think so, man. I'm not going to fade Trip Hawkins for sure. Not going to fade Trip Hawkins, man. Not gonna fade Trip Hawkins for sure, man. That's a crazy team right there. Tokenomics, tokenomics are butt cheeks, but that don't mean nothing, man. That don't mean you can't make gains with tokenomics, with blah tokenomics, man. Hey, let's get to 30 likes, guys. I'm shocked we still got 17 people tuning in and y'all didn't get a YouTube notification. That's amazing. Wow. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Kas right here. Kas right here holding these support levels, guys. Probably come back down to 4 cent, like I said, 3 cent, 3 cent. I think the lowest we go to is 3 cent, maybe 3 cent flat. That's it. That's it. I don't think we go any lower than that. We'll see though. We'll see. But you never know, man. You never know if things turn around in an instant and then all your TAs crashed. It's gone. One catalyst, bang, Kas bounces from 4 cent, boom. This is why you dollar cost average. This is why you DCA. This is why you DCA, guys. I'm telling you. Team not as good. Binance just bought 300 mil Jasmine. They're going into Japan. Hey, Jasmine's bullish because it's listed on Binance Japan. That's bullish, man. Binance Japan. A lot of projects got listed on Binance Japan. And who knows, man. The Japanese people could be scooping up all the alts on Binance Japan, man. Don't fade the Japanese people, man. Because this is going to be... Binance Japan is going to be the easiest way for them to buy projects. Right? Binance Japan going to be the easiest way for them to buy projects. So, don't fade projects that got listed on Binance Japan. I think Jasmine could crush it. Now, obviously, never overinvest in anything. Right? So, even if you got 100k Jasmine, that's like $400. Hey, that's cool. $320 for 100k Jasmine, that's cool. You never know if it crushes it. Right? You make some money. Let's see. BTC just dumped? No way. Where? Oh, crap. Oh, sell everything is going to zero. It's all going to zero. It's all going to zero. Where's my clip? Where's my clip? It's all going to zero. It's all going to zero. Hold on, I gotta mute the music, y'all. I gotta play my clips, y'all. I gotta play my clips.
Bitcoin will go to fucking zero.
One day.
And a microsecond, boom, like that. And when the real founder of Bitcoin comes out, it is my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, Bitcoin will go to fucking zero. Bitcoin will go to fucking zero.
One day.
And a microsecond, boom,
like that. Oh no, who's dumping the Bitcoins? Who's dumping the Bitcoins, y'all?
Market cap,
oh my gosh, here's another clip.
is $2.168 trillion. And now the market, oh, it went to zero.
It's going up. It's all going to zero. Sell everything.
So the market cap is
sell everything now, y'all.
$2.168 trillion. And now the market, it went to zero.
It's all going to zero, guys. Sell everything now. Hey. What Warren Buffett say, y'all? What Warren Buffett say? What Warren Buffett say? What Warren Buffett say? Okay, let's see what Warren Buffett has to say, man. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. I'm buying the dip. I'm buying the dip. I'm a dollar cost averaging on all the lows. Dollar cost average in. Y'all ain't shaking me out. Look at that. Look at that. They just been shaking us out for the past 2 years. Y'all ain't shaking me out, bro. Y'all are not shaking me out. Now Kas is gonna dump with Bitcoin, of course. Look at that, man. Of course. Let me get the music back on, guys. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Let me catch up to the chat as well. That's crazy. BTC just dumped. Let me see. Let's see what we got. Listen to diverse. Let me see. Dude in our group just made 60 mil on a trade. Whoa, that's awesome, Bert. G-File gets down to 1 cent. That would have to be roughly 13 to 15 market cap. Half of G-File will be circulating by 2025. Okay. 55-60 mil diluted would put G-File back to 1 cent. That makes sense because of the tokenomics. That makes sense. Don't have G-File, so what a good entry point now. I think G-File will do 100 to 250x if G-File goes back down to 1 cent. Yeah, GT, I agree with you. I'm agreeing with everything you say about G-File. I'm agreeing with everything you said about G-File. Hard support for G-File 195. After that, macro support 1426. Bert, G-File is a low cap coin. You know, what would make G-File go back down to 1 cent, like GT said, is the tokenomics. When they start unlocking, man. When they start unlocking. Because, again, when them tokenomics get into circulation, and then the FDV starts to match the circulating supply, guess what happens to the price? That dilution, right? The inflation brings down the price, man. I got Shiba in a minnow, 230 mil. Don't swallow me. Charts don't matter on low cap coins. Lol, not enough data. Bro, we trade she's all day. Oh, there's the trade. Hey, GT and Bert going back and forth, man. Literally one whale could dump. Low cap, high cap, doesn't matter. BTC and ETH realistically are like some only coins where daily TA matters. Yeah, if the only thing that would bring back down G-File to like 1 cent, like I said, is the tokenomics, man, when they unlock. That's it. But yeah, man, if you're tuning into the stream, guys, we're keeping an eye on Kas. I'm gonna always keep you guys updated. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, turn on all notifications. Let's get to 6,000 subscribers. Share the videos with your friends and family. You got people that are interested in crypto, tell them about BD, man. You got friends, you got family, you got people that are interested to learn about crypto, because y'all already could tell I'm just a chill dude, humble guy, nice person, where we all learn together, get better together, make money together. So if anybody else want to join into the clique, you know, just let them know, man. Also, become a channel member, right? And feel free to donate super chats as well to help keep the lights on, man. Help support the channel, man, so we could continue to grow together, man. Eventually, I would love to get to a point where, like, I could hire an editor for certain videos, like my top 5 videos. I'd love to get that fully edited. So any support, guys, is truly appreciated, man. I love crypto TA, but for crap coins is a joke. Yes, you are down to earth. Hey, let's go all set. Let's go all set. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you. It's not enough overbooks for crap coins. Much love. We all grow together. I'm telling you. Hey, if you haven't joined my... Oh, lost another Telegram member. Speaking of, if you haven't joined my Telegram, man, just join my Telegram just to chat. You know, it ain't got to always be like, oh yeah, what's the next play? What's the next this? If you just want to chat with other people in the BD fam as we continue to grow, join the Telegram, man. Down to help do some hash rate giveaways with you. Have any of you tried mining Caspa? That's all set. All set is the miner in here. Maybe I dive into mining in the future, you know. Maybe I dive into mining in the future. It was more profitable to mine KAS in the early days, I think. The only way to be profitable now is if you got ASICs. So if you haven't joined my Telegram, just to join and chat, you know, chat with other people like Michael, Diverse, Cozy. You know, join the Telegram group, man. There's the link. Let me send it again. I'm gonna send it multiple times for y'all to join, man. Join the Telegram. Let's keep the channel growing, the community growing. You know, it's a free Telegram. It's a free Telegram, and you know, let's just have some fun in there. Let's talk about news, what's happening in the market, and just, you know, interact with each other. I mined KAS since August 2022. Jeez, Offset. Dang, Offset was right on there. Wow. Hey, that's lit that the chat is so active tonight, man. No notification sent out, and I still got 22 people watching, man. Thank y'all so much. Let's get to 30 likes, man. Let's crush it. Let's get to 30 likes, 40 likes. Come on, let's go. I'm just letting y'all talk in the chat to each other, honestly. But yeah. But yeah, man. Caspa holding up pretty good here. Again, these are the levels I'm looking at. Looking to hold the 4-cent level. I don't know if I don't like levels we're looking at is 4 cent, 3 cent, 3 cent. But you never know if something happens where, you know, we hit 4 cent and then all of a sudden, positive news, everything starts pumping again. You never know, man. I know it's all about the TA, stuff like that, but we're looking at support levels. It's a support level for a reason. It's called a support level for a reason. So, KAS could stay holding the 4 cent support. That you can't rule that out of possibility. But if it does lose that support, we'll see 6 cent. Right, that would be next, right? If you're tuning in, again, guys, everybody that's tuning in, thank y'all so much. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notifications. Share the videos with your friends and family. You know people, tell them about BD, man. Become a channel member, and feel free to super chat as well. I'm gonna end the stream off here. Been streaming for a good amount of time, you know. Gonna call it a night, guys. It's 11 p.m. where I'm at. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much. If now's the time the dollar cost average in the KAS, man. Now's the time the dollar cost average. Buy more to complete that 500k bag. We got Digital that just tuned in. Thank you so much for tuning in, Digital. But yeah, man, everybody that's tuning in, thank y'all. Really appreciate you. I see y'all going back and forth. I see y'all going back and forth. 500k is a nice bag, Digital, by the way. 500k is a very nice bag. You're gonna be set going into the bull run, man. I'm telling you. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream off here, guys. I'm gonna let the music play out. The stream. Thank y'all so much once again for all the support, man. Truly, sincerely, from the bottom of my heart. Thank y'all so much for the support. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.
No, I don't wanna Imagine how we used to speak so cold. Remember when our hearts would overflow. So tell me that it's all okay. Tell me we will find a better way. Just tell me that it's all okay. Just tell me that we'll find a